My name is I'm Executive Director at Norskedalen Nature Heritage Center. It's an amazing place. There's a history here that is unmatched anywhere else. It's a combination of the history of an entire culture and the nature, the environment that they found when they got here. We spend hours and hours and hours mowing and keeping lawns mowed, but we also have miles and miles of trails that we need to keep mowed so that people can hike on them. We don't have paved. We've got one paved hiking trail. The rest are natural through the woods. There's just so much property. There is so much property. 400 acres is significant. And the fact that we want to make it so that people can get to as much of it as they possibly can. So keeping up on things, because again, the natural growth encroaches on whatever we maintain. And we've got volunteers that come and help us do anything and everything. And so often I have to say, I'm so sorry, but only staff can do that. I'm so sorry, that's not a piece of equipment a volunteer can use. And breaks my heart because they want to help us so much, you know. So having equipment that is that any person can use, you know. They don't have to be the big muscle-bound person, but yeah, even a person of my size could use that. That's tremendous. That's a gift from God right there. And then it's simple enough to operate that I can trust someone with it. They don't have to be, you know, they don't have to have a license for big equipment. They don't have to have special training. We can say, push this button, go straight there. That's tremendous. We do have, in addition to the trails, we've got an area that stays very marshy. And if we don't stay on top of those saplings there, then pretty soon, instead of a field of sunflowers, we've got a field of saplings. We would rent tillers from hardware stores. It just didn't work. We'd like to take care of it ourselves. So having something that's going to cut through this type of ground and turn it over so that we can plant the sunflowers and have that sunflower field again, that's just going to be exciting and amazing. I have to say, I am so impressed with Orec equipment. The volunteers that we've had come in and work with the equipment this week have had no issue learning quickly how to work a piece of equipment that they've never seen before. They've had no issue using the piece of equipment. They've had fun with it. I mean, and it's been hot and sweaty, and they have had fun using this equipment to accomplish different tasks. And honestly, we have a lot of really thick, heavy grass. We have a lot of weeds. We have a lot of stuff that we need to get through, and this equipment has handled it all very easily. I just cannot say how impressed I am